What do you cook when you barely have time to make a cooking video? 30-minute ground beef stroganoff in the Instapot. And get this, it's healthy. Start out with your Instapot or whichever all-in-one cooker you have on saute mode. Put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there and then throw in a half a cup of diced shallots and half a cup of sliced portobello mushrooms. Salt them so we can start drawing out moisture and let them cook until the onions are translucent and the mushrooms are starting to brown. Then we'll add in 1 pound of lean ground beef, add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then a little salt and pepper and saute until browned. Then we'll add in 4 cups of beef broth, starting with just 1 cup first to help scrape off any bits at the bottom that may be stuck. Then add in the other 3 cups of broth, follow with 1 pound of large shells and make sure the shells are submerged under the liquid. If you need to, add a little bit of water to get them all covered. Lastly, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, spoon it out on top and just let it sit there. Don't mix it up. Put your lid on and set it to pressure cook for 5 minutes. When the time is up, do a quick release of the steam valve. Then when the lid is ready to come off, stir everything up and add in 1 cup of light sour cream. Mix it up and taste for additional salt and pepper. Divide into 6 containers and you have yourself 6 meals under 500 calories and in under 30 minutes.